Hi, Tentuit here. I wanted to show you how to make the double star. It consists of 910 magnets total, so you're going to need that many to make this unit. These are some of the subcomponents that make up the total model. There's 5 subunits for each star. Each subunit consists of a 3-sided diamond, and this 3-sided diamond subunit has basically hollow panels in the center and an added center ball on the end tip, and this actually helps the model from deforming the edges under its own weight, because this thing is a little bit heavy once you get it done. So anyway, I'll show you how to make the subunit for the tip, and that starts out with a simple hexagon standard shape. So it's actually a double layer hexagon, and then in order to get the diamond shape you extend one side. So extend one side like that. You add 2 balls to the ends and 1 ball to the center, and there you have a panel diamond. And in order to get the actual hollow panel look, you remove the center 4 balls, and there you have it. So in order to make the subunit, you would attach 3 of these together like so, and basically attach the ends like that. And then once you get this shape, then you just flatten it out such that the ends basically go together. And then you get to take a single ball here and pick one side and make that your end. Push it inside and make sure you have your hexagon shape. Backside doesn't need it. Okay, so now I have 5 subunits for each of the stars. So I'll show you how to construct the star now. First piece, basically, if you have this alignment, then you have to basically turn the star, or turn the subunit inside out. Okay, because you want it to be a parallel connection here with the magnets. So in order to do that, you separate out the pieces. Take this tip out. So in order to reverse it, basically it was this direction, so you have to reverse it the opposite direction. So follow the same thing to get the diamond shape back together. Get the center ball, place that in there, make sure all the edges are flat. Okay, now to make the star, you want tips to be pointing outward, and now it aligns because I turned it inside out. In order to get the star shape, you connect 5 of these together. Again, tip pointing outward. Tip pointing outward. Okay. Now the last piece is a little tricky because you have to sort of squeeze it in there and not get it to stick to the sides. So there is the bottom section, and I'm going to flip it over to show you where the connection points are going to be for the top section. But you can see that basically it has a really nice shape. Okay, when you flip it over, the bottom section of the 3-sided diamonds is actually going to create your connection points for the second star. Okay, so you do the same thing. Tips out, and you connect them together. Make sure that it's a parallel connection there. Tip out. And tip out. Oops. See, now that's not what you want. You want it to actually be a 5-pointed star. Tip out. Okay, there's the second star. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this section here and align it with this section. Okay, to check the alignment, you have to make sure that everything is aligned, so you want to flatten the panels out here on each of the connection points. Okay, looks like it's together, so this is what it looks like. This is sitting on its side. When it's standing up, and like I said, the center tips here actually will keep the tips from deforming when it's standing up like this. Okay, so there you have it, the double star. There's a star on each side here. And it's 910 magnets total, so you're going to need that much. Okay? Thanks for watching.